Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about NumPy library in Python. So let's start. First of all, what is NumPy? So full form of NumPy is numerical Python, which represent the mathematical operation in Python, or it is a Python library used to perform mathematical operations like it can perform function matrices array statistics also. So to install this library, pip install numpy command is used. NumPy library is written in C and Python language. So first of all, let's see how to install NumPy libraries. So here we are using pip install numpy command. So let's run. Requirement already satisfied because I have already downloaded the numpy library. So it's showing me the requirement already satisfied. So before going forward, we have to see the difference between list and numpy arrays. What is the difference between list and numpy arrays? What is the similarities between numpy arrays and the list? Here we can see, like, first of all, we are going towards similarities. So both are used for storing data. List and numpy array both are used for storing data. Both are mutable. Mutable means we can change the value by using of index in particular location, and both can be indexed, or we can given the position of the value by using of index in both case in list and numpy arrays. Slicing operation can be done in both cases, like if we want to sublist or sub numpy array during our operation, we can do that also. That are the similarities between list and numpy arrays. So let's discuss the differences between list and numpy arrays. So in list we can store different data types, but in numpy array we cannot store the different data types. Different data types means here we can say, so here we create a one list. Here we create a one list, and here you can check there are two data types available in list, string and integer. Let's check in numpy array, or here you can see. We can't do the different operation on list, but we can do operation on numpy array. Here you can say the a is the numpy array of 2 4 6 8, and we are dividing by 2, so whole values available in array will be divided by 2. But in the case of list, it will showing me array like unsupported operand type, so it will won't give any result. So there are the two difference between list and numpy array is we cannot store different data types in numpy array rather than list, and we can perform mathematical operations on numpy array but not on list easily. And what are the advantages of array over list? It is less memory occupied by the array as compared to list. Array, arrays are faster than lists and convenient to use means mathematical operation are we can done on arrays easily as compared to list. That's all for the today. We will see more on NumPy library in next session. Stay safe and keep learning. Thank you very much.